Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special video because around about the 4th of February it's World Cancer Day and you can show your support by buying a Unity band. I've got a Unity band right here. It's a pink and white one. It's World Cancer Day on the 4th of Feb, so you can either go sugar free for February. So I'm actually going sugar free in February to basically do my part and basically raise some money for cancer research and everything. So I think that is a really good idea, but I want to create like a makeup look for you guys, like do a makeup look, but make sure it's like really like nice, and I want to have a pink lip. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look for you. So as always, I'm going to get some tape and do my eyes. I do know that my eyebrows need threading, I do know that, and I do know that my hair is all over the place. Basically my hair is drying and I'm letting it air dry. I normally do this when I have a pixie cut because I don't need to basically dry my hair with a hairdryer. I do have a hairdryer and I want to get a new one, but I normally use that for when I have long hair and when my hair's getting longer. So basically that is my eyebrows done. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer so you can see my eyes. So I'll put you a little bit closer so you can see everything that's going on. So what I'm going to be using is the Shaaanxo palette. I love this palette. It has a pink lip in here that I'm going to use, and I'm also going to try it out with a softer pink, just in case you want to try it with a softer pink. I'm using these colours in here. So what I'm going to do is open, this is the old Shaaanxo palette from DH Cosmetics. I want to get the new one because the new one looks fabulous. So I'm just going to take a white shade and put it all over my lid. The reason is so it'll just help other colours to blend properly and you get a nice look as well. Like a really nice look. We are going to do a winged eyeliner with this look, so I'm really happy about that. I haven't got mascara with me. There we go. Now I'm going to take a blender brush and mix these two together. Sometimes I do like mixing them, sometimes I like doing it one time, but I'm going to mix the two to create a transition shade. I love this terracotta shade and this orange shade together. I believe they work wonders together. They really do. I just love it. An updated video of me cleaning my makeup brushes, please let me know and I do that for you. So as you can see, I've just mixed them onto my for my transition colour, and it's a very nice colour. Let's take a firm blender brush and put some of that onto my eye as well. Just blend it all out onto my eye. I like to have a little bit of darkness in there as well, like I love these two colours together. I think they work beautifully. I think on their own they look really good as well. I bought my Unity band in a shop. You can get them anywhere, like a drugstore or a makeup store. I got mine in the UK, I got mine in The Works, and you can get them in WH Smith. If you want to know how to get them, you basically go on to the cancer research page and just look for it, and it'll just tell you where to buy them. There are dark blue ones, there are light blue ones, there are pink ones. I got a pink one because I love pink. I'm just using my NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to be taking that and putting that onto my eye. A cut crease, but I've never done a cut crease, so I'm not doing a cut crease. And just blend it in. Like blend it in where you want it. And then I'm going to get my eyeshadow brush again and get this duochrome at the bottom. I believe it's beautiful. This colour is beautiful. It's a duochrome, so it does do a little bit of green, a little bit of purple, you know. I just love it so much. And then get your blender brush and just blend it through. I just love that look so much. Like, that is just a perfect look that you can go. You can put it wet, you can put it dry. And in different lights, it's different as well, which I absolutely love it. I just love it. I'm going to put a little bit of black in the corner just to darken things up a bit. So just blend all the colours together. So that's the eye colour I've got so far. I absolutely love the eye colour. I think it looks really, really good. So I'm going to put some eyeliner on now, and I'm going to use a black eyeliner just to put on. I love black eyeliners with this. It just looks really nice. And that's the other wing. They might not match, but I don't care because they're just wings, you know. So now that my eye makeup's done, some primer on. And the primer I'm going to use is the Super Stay. I love it. It just goes, I just love this. It just goes really tacky. This makes my face go red, but don't worry about it. It's not, I'm not allergic to it. It just, when I rub my face, it just goes red. I'm not being harsh. I'm being gentle with my face, but it just happens all the time. And on your neck. Always shake this as well before you use it, but I always put down some on my neck as well. Now I'm going to use my Eco Tools sponge with my foundation. And today I'm going to be using the 123 Perfect by Bourjouis as well. But before I do that, I use the NYX Dark Circle Corrector. And I don't know, just pat it in. Like so. I'm going to put some on my spots as well. I know people are going to go, why are you doing this on your spots? Well, just let you know, it works for me. Just going to put some foundation on now. I love this eye look. I actually haven't tried this eye look, so I absolutely love it. Yeah, when you have a pixie cut, always do your ear. And I go down my neck as well, so I blend it all right down to my neck. So now it's time for concealer, and concealer I'm going to use is the True Match concealer. I went to get the Makeup Revolution concealer, sold out. I was like, you've got to be kidding me, you're sold out. And I even asked the girl, she's like, no, we're all sold out. And I said, well, why don't you have a sold out sticker? She went, I don't know. So she checked for me and she went, no, we're sold out. I was like, you're kidding me? She went, yeah, she goes, that is a very popular. I said, I know. She was like, yeah, everyone just wants it because apparently they've heard it's really good. I know they're crazy with all this concealer on, but I promise you it wouldn't look like that. So there we go. Now I'm going to bake my face. So you can see I'm just baking all over. Hop off and do my eyebrows and come back when my eyebrows are done. Okay, so now I'm back and wiped off the makeup. I've done my brows. Bronze first, so I'm going to use the Kiko. And this is in the colour Warm Melange with the full collection. I'm just going to bronze slightly. Okay, just totally, slowly bronze up a bit. Then I'm going to contour my cheekbones first. I do suck on my cheeks sometimes. It depends how I'm feeling as well. If I want to suck on my cheeks, I sometimes suck on my cheeks. I don't know about you, but I love contouring because it shapes your face so well. And then I'm going to take a Real Techniques Stone brush and just contour my nose. The next thing I'm going to use is California blush, and this is beautiful. Just a real nice blush. And the brush I'm going to do this with is a Bare Minerals Flawless Face Brush. Tap off the excess. Love it, smells really good. Put it on the uppers of my cheeks. So now I'm going to do my highlight. And the highlight I'm going to use is the Casey Holmes Smashbox. Oh, so good. So pretty. Look at that now. Nice and glowing. That is what you want. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. So now I'm going to use the Volumize Stylist in Essence. So now that I've got you a bit closer, I'm going to use the colour, I'm going to use the orange and red colour together. And put under. And then brush away the fallout. Now I'm going to do the bottom of my lips. I'm going to use a pink in here. I'm going to show you what it is like with this. I'm going to get the pink, and this is from the Body Shop. This is what my sister got me, and it's in the colour Crush, I believe. Colour Crush. This is just a nice pale pink. It does look nice, but I don't really want a pale pink on the day that I'm doing this. So that pink is just a pale cream pink. So I'm going to get this pink in here. It's bright pink because it's the same colour as my wristband. So this is the pink that I'm going to wear with it. So this is my makeup look for the 4th of February for World Cancer Day. And I absolutely love it. The pink matches the pink on my lips. That's where I wanted to go with it. The eyes are just lovely and duochrome. I just love this look. I think this look is very fun. Like, it's a bright pink bold lip with a fun duochrome eye, and I think I'm in love. And I absolutely love this look, so I'm going to bring you closer and you can have a look. So that's the look that I've got on today. Hopefully you do like this makeup look. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you do like it. Subscribe down below as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!